Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about the best Apple Watch accessories that can totally transform how you use it. Whether you're looking to add some style with a new band, protect your watch with a durable case, or boost its functionality with cool charging solutions, I've got you covered. These accessories are perfect for taking your Apple Watch to the next level, whether you're using it for fitness, work, or everyday tasks. Whether it's improving functionality, adding some style, or just making everyday use a whole lot easier. Let's jump intro. Anker 511 charger. The latest Apple Watches don't come with power adapters, which seems to be a common theme with most new smartwatch and smartphone purchases, so you'll have to dig one out of your drawer or get a new one to charge it up. Anker's 30-watt Nano 3 is a good pick because it's compact, foldable, and has Active Shield 2.0, an improvement on Anker's temperature monitoring technology. In brief, it just means that the charger will keep an eye on its temperature to prevent overheating or damaging your device while it's powering up. It has more than enough wattage to charge your Apple Watch quickly and efficiently, and enough to fast charge your iPhone whenever you need to switch off and use it for that. Belkin Apple Watch Charger. Most Apple Watch stands you'll find have a spot for you to weave in the magnetic charging pad that comes with your watch. But if you want to keep that in your travel bag or simply want a second charger, we recommend Spigen's Arcfield stand. It has a built-in wireless charger for your Apple Watch with a weighted, non-slip base that prevents the whole thing from moving around on your nightstand. Attached to the charging station is a 6.6-foot USB-C cable, so all you'll need to provide is an adapter with a USB-C port. We also like that it comes with an assortment of rubber strips that you can use to get the right position and viewing angle for your specific Apple Watch. That means this stand works with all Apple Watches, even the beefy Apple Watch Ultra. Apple Watch Case. Spigen's slim Apple Watch cases sit flush against the wearable display, but they still give you an extra layer of protection. Spigen also makes protective cases for AirPods Pro, with included keychains at a budget-friendly price, so you can keep all of your Apple devices protected. While a bumper like this adds a bit of bulk to your Apple Watch, it will be well worth it if you're on the clumsy side. Invisible Shield Ultra Apple Watch. Just like you would protect your iPad or an iPhone, an affordable screen protector can make all the difference. Zag's Invisible Shield line is a reliable one that provides shatter protection, clarity, and enhanced touch sensitivity. When installed properly, Zag gives you clear instructions and all the tools you need to do so. You'll probably forget you have a screen protector on your watch. This accessory blends in almost seamlessly with the watch's stainless steel or aluminum hardware. And if you do accidentally ding the screen, the protector should take all of the damage. Allego W6 Apple Watch Stand. If you want to use the Apple Watch's handy nightstand mode while it's charging, a stand or holder can make that experience much easier. There are tons of options in this space, but Allego stands have a lot of personality and are pretty affordable to boot. The brand's W series comes in a number of fun designs, including that of a retro handheld gaming system, an old Mac, and even some line characters. They're not the sturdiest stands out there, but they will inject some cuteness into your space, and for a price tag of only $15, what more could you want? Anker Mago 3-in-1 Charging Station. Anker's line of 15-watt, Qi 2 certified charging accessories are worth taking a look at if you need to upgrade from a slower wireless charger. This 3-in-1 model is particularly handy for those who don't like to have too many charging pads or separate accessories for their most used devices. It can wirelessly power up an iPhone, Apple Watch, and a pair of AirPods simultaneously, and it folds down to roughly the size of a deck of cards when you're not using it. What's better is that you get the charger's cable and a 40-watt power brick in the box, so you'll have everything you need to get top charging speeds from the jump. Pack Bands Compatible Apple Watch. One of the easiest ways to make your Apple Watch your own is by picking up a couple of wristbands that suit your style. Like with iPhone cases, you could easily turn to Apple's first-party options, but you'll spend more money in the long run if you do that. It's easy to find good Apple Watch bands online from other brands in a variety of styles and materials, like sports bands, solo loops, and leather bands. When it comes to basic silicone straps or sports brands, you can find packs of 3 to 6 bands for less than $20, but the quality may be questionable. Look for brands with many high ratings on Amazon if you insist on getting the best bang for your buck. You can also use FakeSpot's Amazon integration to get an idea for how trustworthy a product's reviews are. Alright, that wraps up our list of the best Apple Watch accessories. I hope you found something new to enhance your Apple Watch experience. If you liked any of the products featured, check out the links in the description to grab them for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.